Hi, it's me Rex again, and this is my house, obviously. But today I thought I would show you how to pretty much do this. Like, look at my damage. A lot of damn damage. Yes, I know my screen's backwards. Now I do. I'll fix that in future videos on this. And then my armor rating is that. It's good. Ish. But today I thought I would grab that one. Grab. Not two. This one. And take off. I've got a few things equipped, and I want to make this video quick because the last one was not so good. And you already know that I suck at making videos the first time. I mean, videos that I've made. But let's see. All you will need is a alchemy enchanted stuff right here. Okay. Hold on. Was one of them alchemy or was the other one smithing? This one's smithing, so I'll need a alchemy necklace. So I've already got the alchemy hat. Apparently I don't have anything else alchemy on me, so this thing will have to do. Okay. That's the alchemy. Okay. What you want to do is first make sure you have all the ingredients. Which you put into the ingredients. Drink this. All you'll need for the restoration potion is this fishy. Right here. This fishy. And this fishy. I know, I sound stupid. Hey, I'm trying to be stupid. I'm trying to be funny. But anyway, you have to have these two fishes for restoration, and I got like 10 of the red ones or 16 of the other ones. What you want to do is go in here, make these potion, which doesn't do that much stuff right now. Let's see. Oops. Potions. Let's see, where's the potion? Where's the potion? Where's the potion? Respiration potions, 50% stronger, my friends. So, you drink it. Then you go over here, equip one of your alchemy things. You go in here and you make it again. Which obviously kind of boosts it up to 103% stronger. And what you have to do with this is after you drink it, you put something like your alchemy thing on, and then you go down here, make it again, and you continue this process until you have basically these potions, which I adore these potions. But I'm just gonna drink this one and drink this one and then put this on and then show you how strong your potions can get. All you gotta do is go here, this, that, boom. And you can continue this process until you're overpowered as hell. For example, drink it. Now, hopefully that worked. Not sure, I forgot to take my alchemy thing off. Boom! I guess. Let me do it one more time just to make sure. Kind of messed up. Drink it. Put it on. And basically just do whatever the hell you want. See, I can constantly keep on and keep on and keep on drinking these potions that I have made until I am nothing but invincible. And after a certain amount of time, boom, you'll get it to the point where God himself is scared to even mess with you. Not really, but now, to get kind of full effects, what you want to do is put this on, keep that on. I can easily just make different ones. This on that, and boom! You got something that will make you a warrior to fuck with. And at the same time, if you do this little number, or not that, this little number, take all of your stuff off that's supposed to give you some armor ratings and all that crap. Take them off. These guys are already enchanted. But drink one of these negative potions and put these bad boys back on. Boom. And now, check out my damn stamina. My stamina. Boom. Best part is, boom. My stamina don't show up no more. But anyway, after you've did all of that and you've become badass as hell, go test it out. Go test out your weapons. And yes, I do got my razor. I love my razor, Mirox razor. It has a chance of instant kill when you first get it, but if you use this technique, which I think I forgot to tell you, which I was about to show you, but Lydia was there, so I didn't really want to move her. But if you noticed like I told you, my weapons and armor was to the max, basically overpowered as hell. All you gotta do is to get that is automatically have one of these bad boys. Let me go find it for you. One of these bad boys. The weapon and armor can be improved by -1%, and it's probably negative 1%. You know what I mean. And it still works to upgrade. So all you do from there is basically just smith. Just have that on and go smith once, and you can have your fucking smithing legendary. And on the other hand, let me go show you how this one works. With, here it is. Hopefully he's still here, which I hope he is. Oh, yes! I think that's where you get the Dawnbreaker. I've got the Dawnbreaker, but I kind of don't use it. I used it when I first got it on my Dark Elf profile, but now I don't use it that much. But watch this, watch. I go up to this woolly mammoth. Screw this. Let me, get my two-handed weapon back out. Speaking of which, let me, mark all the ones that I like. Good. They're all marked. But let me bring this bad boy out. This is the weakest weapon I have that I've legendaried. But check this out. Check it out. Boom! Bitch slap. Falls over there. And what? Mr. Giant! Hi, Mr. Giant! What you gonna hit me with, your invisible club? Come on, hit me. Oh, check that out. Check that out. My health barely goes down. I mean, if I had my other armor on that I gave to Lydia, I bet you, and I repeat, I bet you that I can have it to where he don't hurt me as bad as he is. Best part about this is once you get it this way, you can level up fast. And it doesn't take that long. See? Then all you do is instant kill. Dead. You can pretty much make your weapons and all that stuff fucking infinite. And barely take any damage. And do a lot of damage. You can probably kill all the gods in this world if you do it hard enough. And look, my stamina. No. And I repeat, no. Damn. Fucking stamina. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. My stamina's not showing up. I did not glitch the game. I'm on a fucking Xbox. But that's all you gotta do. Oh, and if you put on one of these, I mean, it looks like my stuff went back to normal, but if I went and smithed, I'd still get the effects of what it was when I had it maxed out to the extreme or so. Same with all the other armor that you equip. Like, for example, which one was it? Increase your carry rate by 10% for each I can't pronounce that. Item you're wearing. Basically, the items I got on, these things. And look at my carrying weight. I don't think you can see it, but look at my carrying weight. It's right here in the middle. See? So, my carrying weight is maxed the hell out, and that's how you know it works good, if you can get a carrying weight enchantment onto your stuff and test it out that way. But yeah, that's my take on the respiration potion. You can also do it with alchemy and smithing potions, kind of like the same way, but drink a restoration potion, put your stuff on, and then create those potions. Afterwards, you only have 30 seconds to do whatever the hell you want to do with smithing or alchemy, which I think sucks. So I don't use them that much, unless if it's an alchemy potion and I need it. Which I don't really need it. But, yeah. I'll see you in the next video.